In this video, we're diving into the 80-20 principle. It's all about achieving 80% of your results with just 20% of your effort. Sounds intriguing, right? Well, let's see how this principle can multiply your productivity and happiness. The idea is that the majority of your results come from a minority of causes. For example, in business, 20% of your products or customers contribute to 80% of your revenues. And in society, 20% of people own 80% of the wealth. So, step 1 is to identify your top 20% versus the bottom 80%. Focus on what's important and allocate more resources to the top 20%. And don't forget to address the underperforming 80% too. Remember, be selective and keep moving your resources from low-value to high-value uses. And don't jump into action without thinking deeply. Look for nonlinear relationships that can bring you exponential results. And when things go unexpectedly well or badly, look for the hidden causes at work. This principle applies to all aspects of life, from investing to relationships, work, and even time management. So start applying the 80-20 principle and watch your results soar. Subscribe to my channel for more content like this.